Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today we are going to be looking at double integral. So we have some exercise, some example here to solve. So given the integral of integral, if you are given this kind of integral, so how do you solve it? You can see that the boundaries are already given, and from here you discover that you are going to integrate first with respect to y and put in the boundaries of y, and then integrate with respect to x and put in the boundaries of x. So let's integrate with respect to y. If you integrate x with respect to y, you are going to have xy plus, if you integrate 2y, you have 2y squared over 2. Then you close the bracket, then you put in the boundary, that is 2x to 0. So which gives you the integral of, at this point you put in the value of y, which is 2x and 0. So you are going to have x into 2x plus 2 into 2x squared over 2 minus the value of y, the lower boundary, that is x into 0 plus 2 into 0 squared over 2 dx. So which gives you the integral of 2x squared, these two cancel these two, plus 4x squared, then you have 0 dx. So if you continue, you have the integral of, that's 6x squared dx. If you integrate 6x squared dx, you will have 6x to the power of 3 over 3. Then your boundary 0 to 1 to 0. Then you have 3 divided by 6, that is 2. So you are going to have 2x3. So at this point you put in the boundary. So putting in the boundaries, you have 2 into 1 cube minus 2 into 0 cube, which is 2. That is the answer. Let's go on to another example. Okay, this is another example. We have the double integral of 4x into root y plus y dx dy. At this point we are integrating dx first, then we'll put in the values of x, followed by integration of y, then we'll put in the values of y. So let's integrate. We'll have integral of, if you integrate 4x root y with respect to x, we are going to have 4x squared over 2 root y, plus if you integrate y with respect to x, you are going to have xy. So we put in the values of y, so once you put in the value of the boundaries of x, you are going to have 4 into 2y squared over 2 root y plus 2y multiplied by y, then minus, that is 4 into 0 squared over 2 root y plus 0 multiplied by y, so dy. At this point these two will cancel this 4, you have 2 left, so it's going to give you 8y squared root y plus 2y squared. All of this will become 0, then dy. Okay, you have the integral of, now using the law of indices, you discover that you have 8y raised to the power of 5 over 2 plus 2y squared dy. Let's integrate with respect to y. We are going to have 8y 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1 plus 2y raised to the power of 3 over 3. You put in your boundary 1 to 0. Then what do we have? You are going to have 8 raised to the power of 7 over 2 over 7 over 2, then plus 2y raised to the power of 3 over 3. If you put in your boundary, the boundaries are going to have 8 into 1 raised to the power of 7 over 2 over 7 over 2 plus 2 into 1 raised to the power of 3 over 3 minus, open another bracket, we're going to have 8 into 0 raised to the power of 7 over 2 over 7 over 2 plus 2 into 0 raised to the power of 3 over 3. Then you are left with 8 over 7 divided by 2 plus 2 over 3. 8 divided by 7 over 2 plus 2 over 3. So this is also the same thing as 2 over 7 plus 2 over 3. Then you have 16 over 7 plus 2 over 3. Then at this point you can find the LCM. So the LCM is 21. So it's going to be 16 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 7, which gives you 48 plus 14 over 21. Then you have 62 over 21. So, and that is the answer. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share.